That's awesome. I was just going to ask, are there other things that we should consider with these type of cameras, with fisheye cameras specifically?
Yeah, I'll throw one out there. The biggest thing, since it is covering 360 degrees, so it's covering a ton of ground. I mean, you can see this picture here. It's covering our entire office here. And so the reality with that is, depending on the resolution, and even with the highest resolution fisheyes, it's not the best camera to get details with. Don't expect to, be able to see very clearly papers or things that are going on in terms of like computer screens, maybe, if that's something you're interested in, or
Even just
small
being able
details
to,
like that.
even just being able to see somebody's face. I mean, the one that we've got here is directly over my head right now. It's going to look down and see the top of my head. And so
point.
depending on what you're trying to do, figuring out like, is Matt at his desk? It's absolutely going to tell you that. Is it going to tell you what stranger is which one? Certainly not at the center of the image. As you go towards the outside of the images, the angle of view is a little bit more appropriate for being able to tell who somebody is, because you're seeing more of their facial features. But when you're directly mounting a camera on the ceiling, and it's looking straight down, for the people that are sort of in the center of the circle, it's going to be seeing more of the top of their heads than their faces. When you start getting to the edges, the angle is great enough to see faces.
Thank you so much for watching this In the Trenches Roundtable clip. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out that full video and the link in the description below, or reach out to us at getscw.com. Looking forward to helping.